Hey beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are having a good day. Nowadays, everyone wants to be rich without making much effort. Many people are taking much interest in cryptocurrency. However, many people are still afraid to invest in it. So in this video, we will tell you the top 9 reasons to invest in crypto and change your future in no time. In the end of the video, I will share a pro tip to select the best cryptocurrency to invest in. Do you want to be a millionaire? If yes, then you are absolutely going to like this video. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. So without further delay, let's dig into the video. Number 9. Buying cryptocurrency is now immensely more effortless. Before, it was difficult and challenging for people to buy a cryptocurrency and secure them in their account. And there were many problems in the blockchain. They don't even have secure or trustworthy exchangers if they want to sell their cryptocurrency. That's why they were facing scams. Still, now the time has changed. Cryptocurrency has become the most certain thing, and you only have access to your account. Even many trustworthy people are present through which you can continue your chain and make your money double. Find top exchanges link in the description to buy cryptocurrency. Number 8. Cryptocurrency is continuously increasing. Some of us thought that we had missed a chance or were too late to invest in Bitcoin. That's not true. You are not late. Even if you invest today in crypto, you would probably be able to earn a pretty good amount of income to meet your finance expenses. Within few months, as this industry is growing very rapidly and flawlessly, just try to be patient as the crypto value changes many times. Even after a drawback, the price instantly can go up, so don't be panicked if the value goes down. It will rise in a short time. You will be considered an early investor even if you invest in 2021, as the crypto journey will be so long in the future. Number 7. High returns. If you are young and ready to take risks, then crypto is the best for you. You can earn such a high profit just by investing and not doing even a single trade. But don't forget to get some knowledge about it, as it also includes significant risks. Just like that, you can also be at a loss if you don't use your power or mind effectively. Crypto can change your life if you know when and what to invest or when to buy or sell. Number 6. Secure exchanges. While we saw the past experiences, we have found the most terrible cases if we talk about exchanges. Many of us know the incidents of Japan exchanger Mt. Gox, which was the most horrible case in spamming in crypto, had gone the scam of approximately $350 million, but now the exchanges are very secure and trustworthy, and no one can hack your crypto wallet or account. You can easily find brokers or exchanges through which you can buy or sell your cryptocurrency. Comment-based exchange to trade, and let's see which exchange is best for trading. You can also drop your affiliate link in description. Number 5. You can start with little investment. If we talk about other investment opportunities like real estate or stock exchange, they require a considerable investment that everyone can't afford. For example, if you are a student or a teenager, you will not be able to make $20,000 investment in something. But if we see the crypto industry, there are many websites through which you can start trading just for $100. Doesn't that sound amazing? And the procedure doesn't include any complicated paperwork or process. Start your trading now to get a highly profitable income in the future. Number 4. Knowledge is available on the internet. Nowadays, many courses are available about cryptocurrency and it's trading for free on the internet. It would be best if you had an excellent mobile, internet connection and need to invest your time properly. It doesn't matter what your age or gender is, everyone who has basic knowledge about crypto trading can earn a decent amount just by sitting at home. Number 3. You can be your own boss. If you are also a lazy person and don't want to do a 9-to-5 job, this industry is for you. Crypto is open 24/7, so you don't have to worry about timings, and you can do it just by sitting at your home as in crypto. You don't have to go anywhere. You can manage your time according to your ease and flexibility. Number 2. The large variety of coins to select. There is a considerable number of coins available in crypto. You can choose them accordingly to your interest and budget. It includes Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Stellar, Ripple, and Cardamom, etc. But the top 2 currencies are Bitcoin and Ethereum. They can give high returns if you do proper trading. Even if we see the future, Bitcoin will be a higher value currency in the future as well. Number 1. Bright future. The future of crypto seems so bright, we can also take an example from our present situation. We all are searching for a way through which we can earn from home, and we all are doing transactions online. We talk about groceries, dress, and many other things. Even after some years, the digital currency will hold more value than cash in hand. So the future of crypto seems so stable and secure after some years because it will make payment transfer easy, and the crypto wallet is more secure than any other bank account. Pro tip: Top 5 cryptos to invest in 2021. Analytics Insights has made this list of the strongest cryptocurrencies according to their trading volumes. 1. Bitcoin. 2. Ethereum. 3. Dogecoin. 4. BNB. 5. Cardano. Crypto or digital currency is going to be used more in the future. You still have a chance to ride on the boat of a millionaire and make your future stable and better. We hope you liked this video. If yes, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And do let us know in the comment box which was the best point among them and what you liked about it. We will soon be back with a new video. Till then, take care.